Yo guys, it's me, MCPE Redstone HD. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be looking at this new and improved garage door. It's 3 times 15 garage door to be exact. So basically, press this button. It opens. Then you could press it again. So that's 3 tall. So you could go on this side and use this button. You could press it again. And then if you press this, you could press it on this side. So what's good about this is that I tried making it compact as possible. So all the redstone is only 3 blocks wide. So if I take this off, you see, it doesn't go more than 3 blocks. See? It doesn't stick out on the sides more than 3 blocks. So it's pretty compact. So I think we should get straight into the tutorial. Alright, let's just take another quick look at it. Alright. Straight into the tutorial again, I'm sorry. Alright, so right here, we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, wait, whoa. Let me recount that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now let's grab some redstone. Put it right... No, not redstone. We need a piston. So we'll put the row of pistons right here. Just fill that up. Alright, so basically we have a row of pistons right here. Let's throw some more pistons right here. And then on top of here, we're going to need some more pistons. And so we're just going to throw another thing of this right here. Put this on 2 tick delay. Throw a torch right here. And this right here. And throw some more of this thing down. And put this right here. And we're going to throw this down. Put this on 2 tick delay. And throw some orange concrete. And put this here. And put another orange concrete here. And throw this here. Alright, so we just throw this here. Alright guys, so basically right here, we're going to put a repeater on 4 ticks delay. Put this here. Alright, so right over here, we're going to be needing an observer block. Alright, so right here, let's just throw this here. Put a line right here. We'll throw this on here. And put this on top of here. And put this here, and an observer right here, and continue making this. Alright, so we're all good with that. So right here, we're going to be needing to put this right here. I have a feeling I did that wrong. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. So I put this here, and throw this right here. Put these both on 4 ticks, and this right here on 4 ticks. There we go. So right here, we're gonna need to put this right here, this right here. Nope. Just that there. And we're gonna need to put this here, and put this thing right here, and this thing right here, 4 ticks, and put this here, another repeater on 4 ticks delay, and throw this here. And yeah, that's it for that part. Alright, so we put this right here. Let me break this. So we're going to throw a torch here, and this thing here, and a repeater on 1 tick delay, and this thing here. We're going to need to get rid of this. Put a comparator right here. Nope, that's a hopper. Just throw comparator in here. We're going to get 1 item in here. So let's try to get 1 item. Okay, 1 item in here. We could put it right in the center. Alright. So right over here, we're going to be needing to put... Alright, so right here, we're going to be needing to put some concrete powder right here. Alright. And this right here, yep. Alright. So now we're going to be needing to put a little platform to stand on. Alright. Put that there. Now we're going to need some brick and some snow for our button. So let's get rid of that. No, we're going to be needing those droppers actually. So we'll take this and get some snow. Where's the snow? Alright, so the snow's right here. So we'll take some brick, put it here. Alright guys, we're almost done, don't you worry. And throw this here. Put this here. And throw this right here. Not there. Alright. And also guys, thanks for actually all you guys viewing my last garage door video, that gets like now 100 views every 2 days. So I doubt this video is gonna get like that much good. Not what's the word? I forgot the word. That much. I don't know. But basically, that one, I wasn't really. I was good at redstone back then, but I wasn't like as good as I am now. So, like, I mean, I've kind of came up with like better stuff now. So we're gonna need. Let's put this here. Okay, that's what we'll do. We'll put this here, and put this here, and we'll take this thing right here, put it here, put this here, and throw this here. We're not going to be needing a brick. Alright, so right over here, we're going to need to put this here, and this here. We're going to punch this out, put some, what's the word, snow. And we're going to be needing to put a button here. And we're going to put some redstone dust here. Alright, so right over here, we're going to be needing to put a little, this thing here. And we need a comparator right here. And we're going to need to put, nope. Put this here. We're going to need to put this right here, this right here, I need to put this here, and this here. So we're going to need to put this right here, this right here, and put this right here. No. I have a feeling I did that wrong. Yeah, I put this down a bit too much. So we're just going to put this right here. Put this here. Put this into it. No. Put this into it. Nope. Like that. Put this here. Hopper here. Alright. Guys, we're almost done. Hang in there. Alright. So I put this thing here, comparator, and put this here, this here, and put this here, and repeater on 1 tick delay, and we're going to be needing to put this here, and this here, alright, so we're just going to go down one right here. Alright, so we put this down right here, add this, oh no, not that, we add this block right here, go down, we're going to add this right here, we don't need this iron block, but we are going to need to put this right here, and this right here. So now what we're going to need to do is put one item in here. So now we take this, we can press this button, then we can press it again. So that's pretty much the garage door. So press it again, and we could close it. Let me just close it so I could do the outro. Alright. So if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But that will be it for me. Goodbye.